Hello, this is the tutorial video on how to create your first Metaspace using the Reach Metaverse Cloud Engine. Unity SDK. From our last video, we created an empty project called My First Reach Project, and we have imported the Metaverse Cloud Engine. As you can see under the asset folder in the project panel, you see this folder name Metaverse Cloud Engine. That means the Reach Metaverse Cloud Engine SDK is successfully installed. You can also go to Windows, Package Manager, Packages in Project. You will see Metaverse Cloud Engine. And I will also take this opportunity to show you how to update. On the bottom right hand corner of the Package Manager window, you will see the Update button. You can click Update and it will automatically check for updates. However, if you close Unity or close this project and open the project the next time, the Metaverse Cloud Engine will automatically check for updates and notify you. We recommend that you use the latest Unity SDK, so it's always a good idea to keep your SDK up to date. I'm going to go ahead and close this window, and we're going to start making our Metaspace. For this first Metaspace, I'm going to keep it really simple to get you up and running in less than 5 minutes. What I want to do is I'm going to right click on the hierarchy and simply go Reach Explorer, hit Metaspace. The moment I do that, I get a prompt. The Metaverse Cloud Engine uses SimMachine for the built-in player. So essentially it will prompt you if the new scene contains a camera. In this case it does. So it detects that. It's basically going to inject SimMachine component into that main camera game object. I'm going to hit yes, and there it is. So now that's really all there is to pretty much get Reach ready to go. However, this is an empty scene, but I can actually show you that this actually works. Simply by hit play, it will simulate what it will be once your Metaspace is uploaded to the Reach Cloud Engine. Here it is. You got a default player, and he's falling forever. You know why? Because we haven't put any ground on it. So I'm going to go ahead and create a ground really quickly. I'm going to go right click on the hierarchy and then go to 3D object, plane. This is the quickest way to create a ground. So make sure the position is 0, 0, 0. I can right click on this transform and hit reset. And as you can see, everything is on the origin or 0, 0, 0. Now if I hit play, I will see that the default player will spawn on a plane and I can walk around. Now how do I upload this? Go back to Metaspace, the build platform. This will determine what platform your Metaspace will be appeared on or be consumable by. So I recommend do one at a time. So in this case, let's just go ahead and do WebGL. So I'm going to hit select WebGL and hit build and upload. And there it is. It is importing everything and it's going to upload to the Cloud Engine. This process takes time depending on how complex and how much art assets and texture and how large your project will be. For this particular example, it's just simple blank plane with no texture, so it's not going to take that much time, and it should be done within a minute or two. It's finishing up and it is completed. You can see the status by going to the console and you will see that successfully upload platform WebGL. And to see my world, I launch my Chrome browser and then go to app.reachcloud.org. And now I am in Reach main menu on the web browser, and if I scroll down, as long as I am logged in into Reach, you will be able to see your world. So in this case, this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit join. Here it is, my first world. And since I am logged in into my Peso accounts, I have my avatar set up. So here it is. That's the exact same world that I created inside Unity. All right, so that's it. Very simple. That's how you create your first world. In the next video, I'm going to add a little more detail, and I will show you how you can link this to your land plots. Thanks for watching. Until next time.